Today let's go over an easy question that I just solved. This one is called the valid mountain array. And it's pretty self-explanatory. If you look at the picture here, you're given an integer array and you want to return a boolean as to whether or not it's a mountain, meaning that there's a peak, there's just one peak, and it's strictly increasing before it and strictly decreasing before it, and it's at least of length 3. So if you look at that picture, you'll understand that if there are any duplicates, then it's automatically not a mountain array. And if there's no peak, meaning there's not a increasing and then a decreasing point after that, then it's also not a mountain array. So let's take care of the base cases, or that's some of the edge cases. So if the length of the ARR is less than 3, then we already know it's not a valid mountain array because it says right here. Otherwise, then we can iterate from the first to the second to last and check the sequence, meaning that first of all, if anything that's not this can be discarded. So if ARI, for example, if ARI minus 1 is less than both of the sides, then that can be discarded as well. And then last but not least, if ARI is equal to ARI minus 1, meaning they're duplicates, because it has to be strictly increasing or decreasing, cannot be the same, return false as well. Otherwise, you can return true. And okay, so as you can see, there's another case where if it's completely sorted or in reverse order, then it's also false. Or ARR is equal to sorted ARR reverse equal to true. Then we can return false as well. So for this, briefly explain, say you have an array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that doesn't have a down point, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, does not have a strictly increasing point. And for this loop, for line 9, we're just going from this character up to this character and then comparing the neighboring left and the neighboring right at every single turn. So we're going to stop, we're going to stop here. And then for this one, we're just going from the second to the last. So hopefully this made sense. Let's submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. So pretty straightforward question, just have to simulate the conditions and play around with the test cases. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.